Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do Fab Fit Fun unboxing for the winter box. So, let's get right into it. It's a big one. Okay. I did rip it open a little bit. So we have Maria Shriver on the front of the magazine, and I will link all the products below and flip through the articles for you. Let's see. I'm going to start with this candle. Let's see. I have the box here too. Okay, I peeked a little bit. So Jonathan Adler Fleur candle comes in this box. And it's actually pretty, comes in this ceramic container with a cover, and it looks like that. Smells really good, even though I know you guys can't smell it on camera. But really pretty, this white ceramic candle and holder that will go match with almost any decor. Karuna face masks. Here we go. I think there's like 6 of them. Oh. Face and eye mask set. So there's 2 for the eyes. And I'll link it in the description box below. But face and eye mask sets. I'm not gonna open that either. Let's see. Then we have Prep Rally by Dry Bar. It's a detangler for your hair. Brush on before blow drying. Yeah. And it's completely wrapped up, so I'm not going to unwrap it right now. And then we have, oh, Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. I just bought one of these at Marshall's. Oh yeah, so between your makeup applications, you can just put it in here and it cleans your brushes without liquid or cleaner, so it's pretty cool actually. And it's taped, so I was gonna open it, but this is what it looks like. Not sure if you can see it. By Vera Mona. Instantly removes makeup from brushes. Kind of a cool little item to have. Thirsty hands, super hydrating hand masks. Super fun. You're in here. I feel like there's only one set in here. But wait, put them on, wait 20 minutes. Ta-da. This is our ban.do Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth shower speaker with charging cord. So I did get a peek at this earlier. So if you want to listen to music in the shower, it looks like this. So it's kind of cool. It has a suction cup, and it also has a little phone button. So if you want to talk on the phone in the shower, you can do that and listen to music. Comes a little USB charging cord. It's pink floral pattern on it. Oh, this is like my favorite makeup eraser, and it's this big cool towel, the original makeup eraser. So this is like those little makeup wipes, but it's reusable. You wash and you wet, and then you can just like swipe off your makeup, and it's supposed to remove it in like 1 or 2 big swipes. 1.3 billion wipes used daily, and 100 years for a makeup wipe to break down. Ooh, that's bad. Man, I didn't realize that. Anyway, it's washable, so once you use it, you can wash it, throw it in the washer. It's really soft. I actually got some mini ones of those, and I've tried them, and they work pretty good, but they're like this big. And what's next in the lots of this paper? Oh, our usual HelloFresh. Usually I show that at the beginning. And $15 off your first box. And I think this is last but not least. The proof is in the pudding eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakerie. So really pretty colors. Looks like this. Rice pudding, chia pudding, everything's called pudding. No, butterscotch, banana pudding, mango pudding, spiced caramel. So that's what it looks like. Some really nice neutrals and a couple little dark ones like cinnamon. No cinnamon. Spiced caramel. There we go. Pretty eyeshadow palette. And I don't have all the MSRP prices right now, but I will link them in the description box below, as well as all the items in the box. Let me double check and make sure I didn't forget anything. Oh, and airbags, air pillows. Those must be free. And I think that's it. So thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any videos you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks a lot. Bye.